So, guys, answer me this question. Why does it feel like everybody out there is getting so much success in Shopify and doing social media marketing and starting their own businesses, but it seems like you just can't get anywhere? And why is it so hard to do the rewarding things and put in the work and to get the result that you want? That's what we're talking about today. So if you have no problem getting work done, staying motivated, and doing everything you need to do to reach your goals, then this video is not going to be for you. The other day I was thinking as I'm going through my day, why is it so hard to push myself to do the rewarding things in life? Why is it so hard to do certain things that at the end of the day feel really good and make you more motivated, more productive? And why do you have that resistance to actually do these types of things? Things like reading. I find it very hard to push myself to pick up a book and read sometimes and actually put in the time to do that. But after I read a book, I feel great. I just got all this awesome knowledge. I freaking love reading. This is awesome. So I go back and it's hard again to pick up another book and start reading. There's just natural resistance there. Waking up early, always extremely hard. Every single day you wake up, you just want to go back to bed. And you have all that resistance there, but once you're up and you wake up early every single day of the week, or even just one day, when you feel super productive, you feel like you have all this time to do stuff, you're ready to get after it, and it feels good. And the next day you repeat and you have all that resistance again. Another thing, cold showers. I take cold showers, and after I take one, I feel great. But it's really hard to push myself to get in the water initially. I'll stand there for seconds, or even a minute, just forcing myself to get ready to go into that shower. But after I take it, I get out and I dry off and I start my day, I feel really good. Dieting. When you eat super great and your body feels great and you feel energized, yet it's so hard to not eat crappy food and actually make yourself eat healthy. And I was looking at all these items thinking, why is there such a natural resistance to these things even though they have great benefits? This also goes for putting work into your business. And my conclusion with this is all of these different things, from reading to putting work into your business to taking cold showers to dieting to working out and to waking up early, they all have delayed gratification. And I really think the majority of people out there have a real problem with wanting instant gratification. And of course, you'd all probably agree with me with getting likes on your Instagram posts, and with eating great food, and with sleeping in, and doing things that feel good in that very moment are really, really easy to do. But it turns out when you do things like all those things I mentioned that have delayed gratification, that stuff's really a lot more rewarding and of course feels great, yet it's hard to continue that pattern and keep it up. And that is really why the 1%, as people say, the 1% really succeed, why everyone wants to start a business. But yet there's few people that are leading the way and making a lot of money, and a lot of people are just stuck struggling. And at the end of the day, I really feel like it's because those people that are winning have the drive and the determination and the self-control and the self-discipline to not have as much resistance for those things, and even if they have that resistance, to push through that and know that that delayed gratification is coming, and that's enough to get them to go push through what they're trying to do. To know that when you go into the gym every single day, as much as you might hate it, that's going to pay off and be worth it 6 months down the road when you're in great shape. To diet super strict for days after weeks and months, to know that you're just going to feel better and have a healthier body overall and be more energized. And it's that simple mindset shift where you know that that delayed gratification is not only going to be there, but it's also better than what that instant gratification is going to be. And that's why so few people succeed in entrepreneurship, why so few people even start and are cut out for it, because our entire society is built around instant gratification, doing things that make you happy and feel good in that very moment. And there's very few things out there that have instant gratification that are really worthwhile and will likely get you to where you want to be in life. Always keeping that in mind, no matter how hard or difficult or how much resistance there is in your life for you to do one of those things that is not great up front, that doesn't feel great. And it's important to have that mindset when all these things happen, where you need to go to bed early and wake up early and do all these things that you know are going to be good for you, to keep the end goal in mind and know that that gratification is going to be there. And really keeping that mindset no matter what is really what's going to take you there. And this is something I definitely struggle with. I hate waking up early and starting my day and getting after it sometimes. It's tough. But the key here is to start creating momentum, consistency, and that's when things get a lot easier, and when you can continue to know that that delayed gratification is going to be there and start craving instant gratification less, as well as having less resistance in all of these different activities. So it's a lot easier when I wake up at 6 a.m. for 5 days straight and read for 5 days straight and take cold showers and go to the gym 5 days straight and have this consistent buildup of these great habits to go do it on day 6. and then easier on day 7, because you have that momentum, that consistency, and that will, through the process, start breaking down that resistance, start building your self-discipline and self-control, and eventually get you to a place where you can do these things no problem, and it's just an integral part of your life. And that's what I'm working towards every single day. And of course, you're going to have fallbacks. You know, one day you're going to sleep in, not wake up. On weekends, you might give in and maybe break these patterns, and I definitely do that too. But we can bounce back from that the very, very next day and get after it again. But it becomes problematic when the reverse happens, when you start eating whatever you want for 5 days straight, and you don't go to the gym for 5 days straight, and don't read for 5 days straight, or whatever goals you're going towards that have delayed gratification, and you start having the instant all the time, and you build up that consistency and that momentum in the opposite direction. And of course, that's a lot harder and puts you in a much worse place. The thing is, it's just as easy to plant the thoughts in your head and tell yourself that doing the tough things and doing the right things are way better and way more motivating and way more exciting for you, even though it may not be true. It's just as easy to plant that in your head as saying that it's not. So implanting in your head positive thoughts and positive thinking and positive habits constantly over time and building up that momentum is exactly what you need to do, and that has worked best for me. So let me know in the comments down below what habits you guys are implementing in your lives that you maybe have a lot of resistance towards and you can't really build up consistent habits and momentum to achieve. I'd love to see what you guys are up to as well. But that's all I have for you guys today. I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.
You can't touch this. You can't touch this. You can't touch this.